Hi, Tolly McGettigan with Horizon Distributors. I'm the Power Equipment Product Manager, and we're going to talk about the basic maintenance on these two particular mowers. Now, really they're essentially the same. You can see this is an Exmark 30-inch, and this is an Exmark 21-inch, but they both use the same engine. So it's a Kawasaki FJ180. So first thing we want to do before we get out to start the day is we want to check the oil and we want to check the air filter, make sure everything is good. So to do that, we just come down here, unscrew this. You can pull it out, wipe it off, set it back in. Don't screw it back in, just set it back in, and then as you pull it back out, you can get a read on the oil. So that's how you're going to know on that particular one. It's going to be the same on the 21-inch or any small mower. That's how you want to test that. And then the air filter, all we have to do is twist that off, and you'll see what we have here is we've got an outer air filter or a pre-filter. And then underneath that you can see this pleated filter, which is your main filter. So the pre-filter is there to grab a lot of the dirt and dust and everything else that comes in, and then the secondary major filter beneath that is what we really want to take a look at as well. So this can be cleaned multiple times, but eventually they're going to both need to be replaced depending on their condition. This is an example of a filter that's going to need to be changed, and I know that we can clean the outside air filter, but once the dirt and debris gets into the inside air filter, you can knock a little bit of that out, but that's a recipe for trouble right there. So if any of this gets into your engine, you're going to have troubles with your engine as well. So you want to make sure you've always got a clean pre-filter and a clean air filter underneath it.